Yeah, so how does Morpheus work? Morpheus8 is a form of RF microneedling. RF stands for radio frequency, and that's the energy side of things. That's what's going to cause the heat. And so the way it achieves skin tightening is that needles go through the skin to a level that the operator sets, and then when they reach their final depth, they fire off a radio frequency bit of energy, which causes heating, which causes injury, which is then going to heal and make collagen. You can set that depth at a variety of levels. In fact, you can fire off at multiple levels when the needles go through the skin, and it is particularly good, therefore, for scarring. You can use it to modulate fat. You can actually, one of the issues with RF microneedling is that it can destroy fat. So there is a technical side to it. It needs to be done by someone who's really good, because the technique is much more operator dependent than, say, Sofwave. With Sofwave, the magic is all in the box. You put the handpiece on the skin, press the button, it does its thing. With Sofwave, there's much more. It's just a more technical skill. You've got to get the needles to go through the skin to the right level that you want them to go to. So the pressure you're putting with the handpiece on the skin is important. You've got to be much more careful about what depth you set things at different areas of the face. That's why it's really important to go somewhere that does a lot of it with skilled operators, because otherwise you can run into trouble. But when you are there with skilled operators, it's fantastic. It works really well. It can be used on the face, it can be used on the body, it can be used in conjunction with other more invasive treatments to give even more profound skin tightening. And it's just a really good treatment when done well. One area where it does differ from, say, Sofwave is that you need several treatments. So generally we would recommend 3. We would do them about 4 to 6 weeks apart, and you're going to start seeing improvement as you go through that journey, with the final result appearing about sort of 8 to 12 weeks after the final treatment.